Every year, millions of footballs are produced using advanced materials, precision engineering, and highly automated manufacturing. But how is a professional football actually made? The manufacturing process begins as rolls of synthetic leather, polyester fabric, foam sheets, rubber, and latex arrive from certified suppliers.
Every raw material is carefully inspected to ensure strength, flexibility, thickness, and durability meet international quality standards.
Layers of polyurethane are bonded onto a strong fabric backing, creating the durable outer material used in modern footballs. A soft foam layer is laminated beneath synthetic leather to improve comfort, control, and ball response. Multiple fabric reinforcement layers are added to increase strength, shape retention, and long-term durability. The laminated material passes through temperature-controlled curing ovens to achieve maximum strength and flexibility. Precision embossing machines create the textured surface that improves grip and ball control during play. Before cutting begins, every sheet is inspected once more for color consistency, surface quality, and dimensional accuracy. With the outer material fully prepared, production moves to the next stage, where each football panel is cut with absolute precision.
Engineers begin by creating precise digital templates that define the exact shape and size of every football panel.
Large sheets of reinforced synthetic leather are automatically fed into high-speed cutting machines. Computer-controlled cutting machines produce perfectly shaped football panels with remarkable speed and accuracy. Every panel is carefully trimmed to remove excess material and ensure flawless assembly. Before printing, each panel is cleaned to remove dust and prepare the surface for high-quality graphics. Advanced printing systems apply logos, colors, and detailed graphics with exceptional precision and durability. The printed panels pass through curing chambers. Heat and ultraviolet light permanently bond the graphics. Vision systems inspect every printed panel to ensure perfect color, alignment, and image quality. Approved panels are automatically sorted into complete sets, ready for football assembly. With every panel cut, printed, and inspected, production moves to the next stage, where individual pieces become a complete football. While the outer panels are prepared, the football's inner bladder begins with high-quality natural latex or butyl rubber compounds. The rubber compound is molded into a perfectly round bladder that will hold air inside the football. A durable inflation valve is securely bonded to each bladder, allowing the football to be inflated and maintain air pressure. Every bladder is inflated and carefully tested to detect even the smallest air leak before assembly begins. Printed football panels are arranged into precise patterns before skilled stitching or bonding begins. Highly skilled craftsmen carefully stitch each panel together, using strong polyester thread for exceptional durability. In automated factories, advanced sewing machines assemble football panels with incredible speed and consistent precision. Before the final seam is closed, the tested bladder is carefully inserted into the stitched outer shell. The final panels are stitched together, transforming separate components into a complete football. With assembly complete, the football is now ready for inflation, shaping, and final finishing in the next stage. The assembled football receives its first controlled inflation, allowing the outer shell to expand into its natural spherical shape. Computer-controlled systems carefully adjust the internal air pressure to achieve the perfect balance of firmness and elasticity. High-precision optical scanners inspect every football to verify its roundness and dimensional accuracy. The inflated football is placed into a heated mold that permanently stabilizes its shape and strengthens the panel structure. After molding, each football is gradually cooled to preserve its perfectly balanced shape.
Soft, automated cleaning systems remove dust and production residue, leaving the surface spotless and ready for inspection.
Every football is examined for flawless stitching, smooth panel alignment, and perfect graphic quality. Sample footballs undergo controlled bounce testing to ensure consistent performance on the field. Each football is monitored for air retention, ensuring it maintains the correct pressure over time. After passing every shaping and inflation test, the football moves forward for professional quality certification and final approval. Every football is carefully measured to ensure it meets official standards for size, weight, and circumference. The football is inflated to its recommended pressure and monitored for several hours to verify excellent air retention. Every sample football is dropped from a controlled height. This verifies consistent rebound performance. Powerful mechanical kick simulators repeatedly strike the football to evaluate its durability under match conditions.
Professional footballs are tested for water absorption to ensure reliable performance in wet weather.
Every approved football is carefully inspected for flawless stitching, perfect graphics, and premium surface quality. Approved footballs are cleaned, packaged, and prepared for shipment to retailers and professional sports organizations. Intelligent warehouse systems organize thousands of footballs before worldwide distribution begins. From the factory, footballs travel by truck, rail, sea, and air to reach athletes and fans across the globe. From advanced materials and precision engineering to world-class quality testing, every crafted to perform at the highest level on the world's biggest stages. Thanks for watching. Every professional football must withstand thousands of powerful impacts before it is approved for competition. Precision testing equipment measures the football's balance and rotational stability to guarantee predictable flight. Engineers analyze the football's aerodynamic performance inside advanced testing facilities. Match balls are tested under intense heat, freezing temperatures, and heavy rain to ensure reliable performance in every climate. Selected footballs are evaluated by experienced players who assess touch, control, and overall performance. Approved footballs are carefully cleaned, polished, and packaged. They are wrapped to protect their finish during transport. Robotic arms then place them into luxury retail boxes. Millions of footballs are shipped every year to stadiums, clubs, schools, and sports stores across the globe. Every football begins its journey inside a modern factory. From local training grounds to the world's biggest stadiums. From advanced materials and precision engineering to world-class testing and global competition, every football is crafted to inspire the next generation of players.